After 4 rounds in the senior men javelin throw,
had a peek at the British Championships earlier, and Brian won that in 50.16.
Shamar Shaw, GC Foster, 57.96 meters. 4th, Santonio Anglid, unattached.
So this is the women's 400-meter final. The national record 48.57 set by Nikisha Price.
66.45. Second,
Dejane Oakley is getting very close to that, the hottest Jamaican property in the event this season. Tonian Beckford is here. So to Anika Brissett, Janelle Josephs, Kellyanne Carr, Leah Anderson, Stacey Ann Williams, Shanike Anderson, and Joanne Reed, formerly of San Diego.
Yes, Spencer, exciting times. We have 3 women running under 50 seconds consistently. Nikisha Price, Dejane Oakley, 48.79 this season. Both those ladies not here. Stacey Ann Williams, 49.80 this season. The favorite. Saw her mom and her sisters here earlier. Sister said to shout her out. Chanel, Stacey Ann's sister. Looking to see Stacey Ann try and get her first national title here at the National Championships. She is the favorite. Having a spectacular season as well. National record holder in the 300 meters, 35.92 seconds. Pretty fast, and a 2:02 over 800 meters this year as well.
Let's meet the competitors now in the final.
She is the favorite here, definitely Stacey Ann Williams. Fastest in the lineup at 49.59 seconds at her very best. In lane 8, Joanne Reed. 53.82 her time coming in. Lane 7 from UTEC, the fast improving Shanike Anderson.
Knockout bronze medalist, 51.40 her best.
In lane 6, 49.59 her PB. 3rd in the final last year, Stacey Ann Williams.
Yeah, looked good in qualifying from her. The mechanics 51.45. And would love to add national champion to her resume.
In lane 5, we have got Leah Anderson.
Runner season's best in qualifying, 51.77, 50.78 her personal best.
Lane 4 from Edwin Allen, we have got Kellyanne Carr.
She just signed to the University of Tennessee. Champs 400-meter champion, 52.20.
We move to lane number 3, Janelle Josephs of MVP Track Club.
Very close to her personal best of 52.33 this season. Lane 3, she gets to chase a personal best from this lane.
Lane 2, Anika Brissett.
54.24 in the semi-final. Tight lane 2.
And in lane 1, completing the lineup, Tonian Beckford.
Throw away the hurdles to focus on the open 4, formerly of Edwin Allen. 53.82 her best this season.
The women's 400-meter final. The favorite, Stacey Ann Williams, runs out of lane 6. So Beckford, Brissett, Josephs, Carr, Anderson, Williams, Anderson and Reed. Leah Anderson and Shanike Anderson, the 2 Andersons here.
Set.
Sent on the way now for the women's 400-meter final. It's a clean start. Stacey Ann Williams, the favorite, is up there, out and about early. Shanike Anderson of UTEC is moving well down the backstretch and also moving well at this stage. Leah Anderson, Kellyanne Carr trying to stay with the early tempo. Stacey Ann Williams at the 200-meter marker, moving best of all at this stage. She creeps up and goes by Shanike Anderson. Leah Anderson is trying to stay with them. Stacey Ann Williams, the favorite, takes them off the top bend. On her right, we've got Shaneke Anderson, Leah Anderson on the inside. Kellyanne Carr, the schoolgirl, is trying to come forward. But Stacey Ann Williams looks good. Being chased by Leah Anderson. Stacey Ann Williams wins her first national title, improving 2 places from last year. 50.34 the flash time. Officially 50.33 seconds for Stacey Ann Williams, landing the women's 400-meter final. Leah Anderson second, 51.04. Shaneke Anderson third, 51.52.
Came in as the fastest, Stacey Ann Williams, and controlled the race from start to finish. Well measured. Normally gets out a bit harder, but focusing on just executing, just wanted the win here. Solid performance for her, strong in the finish. She's been working a lot on her 800 strength. The finish has always been the weaker part of her race, but not today. She looked brilliant in finishing, running a wonderful race to win her first national title. Leah Anderson getting the second position there. Again, improving on her season's best. 51.04 seconds for her, and Shaneke Anderson for third, just outside of her personal best, 51.52 seconds. The University of Technology athlete rounding out the top 3.
We're going to be making a change shortly. We're going to be welcoming Ricardo Chambers. Bruce James will be joining us as well. So Stacey Ann Williams, her first national title, 50.33 seconds. Leah Anderson, 51.04. Shaneke Anderson, the improving athlete from UTEC in third, 51.52 seconds. That completes the women's 800-meter final.